The intake gasket creates a sill between the engine block and the isolator. This gasket usually only needs to be replaced when it is removed as part of another engine repair. If the gasket is torn when it is removed, it must be replaced. A leak in the intake gasket will allow extra air into the cylinder. This will cause the engine to run lean, which will lead to scarring on the piston and cylinder, and eventually a seized engine. Replacing the intake gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now I'll remove the screws that secure the air filter base and carburetor to the engine. Next, I'll remove the rear engine cover. With the cover removed, now I can remove the isolator. I'll remove the old intake gasket from the isolator. I'll place the new gasket onto the insulator and slide this assembly back into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the rear cover. Now I can reinstall the carburetor. First I'll reattach the fuel lines and the throttle cable. Then I'll place the screws that secure the carburetor and air filter base through the carburetor and insert them through the gasket and the isolator. Now I can secure the screws. And I'll finish up by replacing the air filter and the air filter cover. And now you know how to install a new intake gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.